In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Outlook using Microsoft Forms. Whether you're looking to gather opinions from a group of colleagues or make a quick decision on an upcoming event, creating a poll directly in Outlook is a fantastic tool that can make your life easier and more efficient. So, let's jump right into the process. First things first, open Outlook and start a new email, just as you normally would when composing a message. Once you have your email window open and ready, navigate over to the top menu and look for the Insert tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Poll. Simply click on that, and you're on your way. However, if you're using a different version of Outlook, you might find the Poll feature under a slightly different menu path. In that case, head over to Options, click on Use Voting buttons, and from there, select Poll. With that done, you'll notice that a new Poll pane appears on the right side of your email window. Now, this is where the magic happens. Begin by typing out the question you'd like to ask. It can be anything you need feedback on. Once your question is ready, you'll need to create at least 2 answer options for your recipients to choose from. Go ahead and fill in those fields. If you feel like 2 choices aren't quite enough, don't worry. You can easily add more by clicking on the plus Add option button. This flexibility allows you to gather a spectrum of responses, which can be invaluable depending on your needs. Additionally, if you wish to give your recipients the ability to select more than one response, there's an option for that too. Simply toggle the multiple answers setting, and you're good to go. Once you've set up your poll to your satisfaction, the next step is to incorporate it into your email. You do this by clicking on Insert Poll into Email. When you do this, the poll becomes an actionable message right in the body of your email. Or, alternatively, it might appear as a link for your recipients to cast their votes. You might notice that your name is automatically added to the CC field when preparing to send out your email. This is just Outlook's way of keeping you in the loop with what's going on with your poll. Now comes the final and most straightforward step. All you need to do is hit Send to email your poll to your intended recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll in Outlook using Microsoft Forms. This tool is truly effective in gathering quick insights and opinions, so I hope you find it as useful as I do. Thanks for watching, and happy polling.